This magical herbal tea recipe can heal cough, sinusitis, asthma, bronchitis and clear phlegm from the lungs. Oregano is a well-known herb used in cooking, but did you know the health benefits this garnish holds? Oregano has been used for centuries not just in cooking, but as a medicine too. It is packed with antioxidants, antibacterial, anticancer and anti-inflammatory particles and has great detoxifying elements. Oregano has one of the highest antioxidant ratings of any food, which means it gives the body a great boost in the quest to destroying free radicals, the atoms which lead to cancer. It is packed with vitamins A, C, E and K, fiber, calcium, niacin, manganese, folate, magnesium and iron. When added to cooking, oregano not only enhances the flavor, it was found in one study that Malondialdehyde levels were increased by 71%. Malondialdehyde is a marker for oxidization. The spice rub including oregano which achieved this amazing result was made up of cloves, cinnamon, oregano, rosemary, ginger, black pepper, paprika and garlic powder combined and rubbed on the desired meat. This gives a healthy and delicious spice rub. Oregano essential oil can be bought from most health stores, and this can be used topically on infections such as athlete's foot. Alternatively, oregano capsules can be bought which contain enough oregano to add into your diet if taken on a daily basis. One great way to feel the benefits of oregano is by making a simple oregano tea. Oregano tea. Using fresh or dried oregano, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of the leaves in hot water for about 5 minutes. You can take this tea up to 3 times a day. Try this recipe and tell us what you think. Source: livetheorganicdream.com. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please don't forget to share it with others so they have a chance to enjoy this information. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and we hope to see you soon. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to our channel.